I'm Matt Dragon, and we're going to be finishing a beat. Yo, so on my last video, I kind of made a beat, but I kind of just left it unfinished. I was going to leave it up to arranging and mixing so that it could become a song, but I feel like it it really needs a little bit more. It really needs a little bit more. So we're going to expand on the beat, and we're going to arrange it, and we're going to finish it. We're going to make this beat into a song that a rapper wants to rap on. So let's listen to what we actually have here. Right. Okay. So it's a really good foundation. It's really good foundation. If you want to see how I got to this point, you can check out part 1 of this video. So what is it missing? It's really missing an intro. So let's arrange that. How are we going to go about this intro? I like 8-bar intros. So let's highlight the drums and the 808s, and let's move them back 8 bars. So we leave just this these samples playing. Something I like to do here is add a lot of ambience. I mean, it's feeling a little Wild West, so let's I want to get some outdoor sounds. Right? Let's click outdoor. Yeah, let's throw some fire up in this. Throw some literal fire up in this beat. This one sounds more like fire. So let's make this sound more like fire. Okay. I'm keeping this. I love the sound effect so much. So what I did was take a little piece of that main melody and just used it, reversed it, pitched it down, and I'm using it as a transition. Yeah, let's make this lead sound different. All right, let's do this. Yeah, that lead sounds crazy. Let's time the rate. Reverb up a little bit. All right, let's turn the volume down. Make it mono. Let's make it stereo. because then I would do this, and this pretty much would make the beat. Transition a little bit. So a good way to do some transitions is bring up some effects. And some risers, some reverse. Yeah. All right. We got a finished beat. So I hope I don't know, hope that was helpful. Hope you enjoyed this little cook up. I'm Mad Dragon. Peace.